If you're looking to leverage Livestorm for lead generation, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Livestorm in a way that'll boost your leads without overwhelming you with unnecessary steps. Let's dive straight into it. Livestorm is an all-in-one platform that makes hosting live webinars and automated events a breeze. It's perfect for anyone looking to generate quality leads through engaging video content. You can create and run webinars, live sessions, or even on-demand events, all tailored to fit your business needs. The first thing you need to do is set up your account. You can use Livestorm completely free, and I've included a link in the description below for you to access an exclusive free trial with bonuses. When you sign up, you're going to be welcomed with a clean, user-friendly interface that makes it easy to get started. Once you're in, it's time to create your first webinar or event. Click on Create Event, choose whether it's live or automated, and set your event details. You'll want to customize the registration page to capture the right information. This is where you can start gathering valuable lead data, such as names, emails, and even industry-specific details if you're targeting a niche market. The beauty of Livestorm for lead generation lies in its ability to automate the entire process. You don't have to worry about constantly following up with leads manually. The platform allows you to send out reminders, follow-ups, and post-event emails, keeping your leads engaged throughout the journey. Make sure to use Livestorm's integrations with tools like Zapier to automate actions in your CRM or email marketing software. Another feature that helps with lead generation is the interactive tools Livestorm offers. Polls, Q&A sessions, and live chat during webinars create a dynamic environment that encourages audience participation. This is essential when you're trying to capture leads. By encouraging engagement, you not only create a more valuable experience, but also build trust with potential clients. Tracking your leads is another key aspect. Livestorm offers analytics that give you insight into how well your webinars are performing. You can see who attended, who dropped off, and which areas of your presentation kept your audience hooked. This data is vital when refining your lead generation strategy and improving future events. Now, what makes Livestorm even more powerful for lead generation is its scalability. Whether you're hosting a small workshop or a large-scale webinar, Livestorm can handle it. Plus, you can integrate your webinar forms with your CRM system to streamline your lead capture and follow-up process. To really take advantage of Livestorm for lead generation, focus on creating high-quality content that speaks directly to your target audience. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience will engage with your brand and sign up for future events. Remember, you're not just hosting webinars, you're building relationships with your leads. So be consistent, engage with your audience, and deliver content that resonates with them. To wrap up, Livestorm is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their lead generation process. By creating interactive events, automating follow-ups, and using analytics to refine your approach, you can significantly boost your lead generation efforts. And don't forget, use the first link in the description below for an exclusive extended free trial of Livestorm, plus some great bonuses to get you started. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.